Picture this, right? It's 11 p.m.
A very familiar scenario.
Yeah, exactly. I'm staring at like 50 open browser tabs
Yeah.
and a spreadsheet that has inexplicably broken its own formulas.
Oh, the absolute worst.
I remember sitting there just wishing some invisible assistant could reach out, take the mouse from my hand, and fix the mess.
We have all had that exact thought.
Right. Well, that invisible assistant isn't science fiction anymore. Today we're taking a deep dive into OpenAI's official release notes for GPT-5.4.
And the mission here is to unpack how this new frontier model is about to fundamentally shift your professional workflow.
Make it way more streamlined and honestly far more creative.
The shift is substantial. It's moving away from just generating text and stepping into active task management. The first thing you'll notice is GPT 5.4 thinking.
The upfront planning feature.
Exactly. It actually provides an upfront plan of its work before it begins executing.
Which sounds like a minor UI tweak, but for daily users, it changes the entire interaction model. You don't have to wait for a massive output only to realize it completely misunderstood step 2.
Right, you see the roadmap immediately.
So you can course correct.
Mid-response, yeah. You adjust its direction while it's actively working, which cuts out that frustrating loop of prompting and reprompting.
You're steering the process instead of just hoping for the best.
And that steering becomes so crucial when you look at the standout feature.
Going back to my dream of the invisible assistant taking the mouse, GPT 5.4 is the first general-purpose model with native computer use capabilities.
It navigates a desktop environment by looking at screenshots, literally operating a mouse and keyboard.
Which is insane.
To give you some hard data on the OS World benchmark, which tests navigating desktop software, GPT 5.4 achieved a 75% success rate.
And that actually surpasses the human baseline, right?
Yes, the human baseline on that test is 72.4%. Now, a 75% success rate means it still occasionally needs oversight on highly complex stuff, but the leap is undeniable.
It moves the AI from a chatbot to an actual operator. And with the model surpassing human baselines, it really opens up questions about how to implement this into your own workflow.
Definitely. That is the big question.
Which is exactly what our sponsor, Embersilk, focuses on. Wondering where agents like this can make the biggest impact for your business. Embersilk handles AI training, automation, integration, and software development.
A vital resource right now.
Absolutely. You can check out embersilk.com for all your AI needs.
Because integrating these agents is where the real value is, especially in complex knowledge work. On the GDP-Val benchmark, GPT 5.4 matched or exceeded industry professionals 83% of the time.
Across 44 different occupations, we're talking heavy lifting tasks like structuring accounting spreadsheets or building out full presentations.
But managing all those tools usually requires massive processing power.
Right, loading everything into memory at once causes a bottleneck.
It would, yeah. That's why OpenAI introduced tool search. Instead of loading every tool up front, the model efficiently looks up only the specific tools it needs in the moment.
Slashing token usage by 47%.
Exactly, allowing it to handle much larger multi-step projects.
That efficiency is so clear in the release notes demonstrations. Oh, like the theme park one. GPT 5.4 built an interactive isometric theme park simulation game directly in the browser.
It didn't just output code. It used a new skill called Playwright Interactive to actively verify its own work.
Meaning it visually debugs the software as it builds.
Generated the 3D-style art assets, play-tested mechanics, verified virtual guests were walking on the pads. It's essentially automating the QA process alongside development.
I know you're looking to integrate these frontier models into your own projects, so I hope this deep dive gave you a solid blueprint of what's possible now.
The broader implications are incredibly inspiring. Delegating this digital drudgery to AI frees us to focus on pure imagination, connection, and solving big-picture problems.
It is a very hopeful horizon for the future of work. Oh, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, please subscribe to the show and leave us a 5-star review if you can. It really helps get the word out. Thanks for tuning in.
We appreciate it.
But I will leave you with one final thought to mull over today as you build out your own systems. If AI can now so perfectly navigate desktop software designed for human hands and eyes, will the digital applications of the future even need a graphical user interface at all?